press this button. Or maybe, what does this red thing do? I'm supposing this will. Hello my dear friends, I hope that all of you are safe and sound wherever you are, and most importantly healthy. So guys, today my wife has challenged me to build this infant playpen, but without referring any instruction manual. So Sim, how much time are you giving me?
5 minutes.
5 minutes? I'm sure I can do better than that. Okay? Let's get started. So guys, just to keep this fair and simple, I haven't read the instruction manuals. I haven't watched any YouTube video or any reference material on how to install. So I'm going to use just my judgment and my wise wisdom, as you know it, to install this playpen. So 5 minutes, let's get started. So guys, there are 5 parts, as you can see. This is the one main part. I'm assuming this would be the frame of the playpen. This would be the letters. So this is some kind of overhead covering by you. And this is some table. What is this? Just keeping the baby probably.
It's changing table.
With this, so let's take the laser. Okay, there are instructions over here, but I'm not going to read it. Okay, just to keep it fair. So I feel this red tag has something to do with it. Miguel. No? No? Okay. Step 1 done. Now obviously comes, let me put the overhead hanging for this. Should this thing go like this? I'm curious where this diagnostics will fit. It has to come here like this. But then, why does it? Tadang, tadang, tadang. Tadang, 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 tadang. Finally, प्लेपेन हमने इंस्टॉल किया है. Sorry, no more singing. I know I have got a worst terrible voice. But yeah, challenge completed. And now Sim was the timekeeper of this challenge. Now she will tell how much time we took. Sim?
So let me
2
tell
minutes,
you.
3 minutes?
2-3 minutes. No. The challenge was to complete it in 5 minutes. But you have taken almost 12 to 13 minutes.
What?
Yes.
Are you sure your watch is not moving fast than usual?
No. Because you did so many mistakes also. So finally, this is the crib.
That I have built successfully.
Yeah.
Verified by reading the instruction manual now.
Yeah, we have to check it.
So that when you keep your baby, the crib is installed correctly. So that there are no more surprises later. So we have verified and I have installed it correctly in 12 minutes. Maybe you told 15 minutes, right? Not 5 minutes? Install it in 15 minutes something you said?
No. I told 5 minutes.
But okay, I have done a good job without reading the instruction manual, without watching any videos. Managing to assemble a playpen from scratch in 12 minutes, you said, right? Amazing task. Grand salute. Now we are getting it certified by Arman. Arman, is it okay? Arman, is it okay? Is it nice?
Nice.
Is it strong?
Wrong.
Strong.
Wrong.
Do you want a brother or sister?
It's okay.
Oh. So guys, that's it for the day. I hope you like the contents of this video. And guys, let me tell you that this is just a fun challenge that we had done. We would highly recommend everyone who is installing any kind of playpen, crib or any electronic toys or whatever for your kids to check the instruction manuals first and make sure that you have followed all the steps correctly and check it out before you give it to your kid so that there is no surprises when your little precious one starts to use it. So guys, with this we end this particular video. Hope you like the contents, and if you really do, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. See you again. Bye, take care.